The Shape Explorers, the Falling Star. One cool evening in the land of geometria, the Shape Explorers, circle, square, triangle, and rectangle, gathered on the tallest hill to watch the sparkling night sky. It was a tradition of theirs, finding constellations and dreaming about the wonders beyond. Then, out of the deep darkness, a streak of golden light raced across the sky, leaving a dazzling trail. Falling star, Triangle gasped. Without hesitation, the group dashed towards where it had landed. They found the star nestled in a soft bed of grass, but it wasn't whole. It had shattered into pieces. Circle knelt beside it. We must help put it back together. One by one, they worked together, arranging the pieces carefully. Square, always precise, made sure the angles aligned perfectly. Rectangle suggested adjustments, while triangle helped place the final piece in its proper spot. As they placed the last shape, something magical happened. The broken pieces glowed and fused into a bright shining star once more. Now, how do we get it back into the sky? Rectangle wondered. Circle thought for a moment, then smiled. Let's give it a big, powerful send-off. Working together, they gently lifted the star, counted to 3, and tossed it high above. The star soared, caught the wind, and twinkled its way back to its home among the constellations. The Shape Explorers cheered as the star shone down upon them once more. That's the power of teamwork, Square said, as they sat beneath the glowing sky. The Shape Explorers knew their bond was as strong as the shapes they had restored. And somewhere up above, the star twinkled, thanking them for their kindness. And with that, the explorers, now bound not just by shapes, but by experience, rise, ready for whatever adventure the cosmos may hold next.